Let me step you through the process to do activity 6. See what that is really quickly. This is making your own game. So you've got some images of some icons and you've got some words. And now we need to get those into the game. So we're going to trace the images, get a snip of them, make it square. Got to show you how to do that. And then put them into the lookup page. So here we go. I'll do the offset command as an example, and I'll do center radius. I'll kind of do something like that and draw a couple of lines. And I want it to be fairly precise on this so that it looks pretty good. Hey, when I hit the wrong key, I was looking for escape. And then I can do an offset. And it doesn't have to be exact. I'll say through. Yeah, I'll go through. And that looks pretty much like it, so I'll do that. And let's see what happens when I turn my line weights on. And I'll put them in inches, and I'll make them just look thicker. Let's see what happens if I... There, that looks pretty good. That's going to make a nice snip. I get it as big as I can on the screen, and I make a square snip. Kind of square, at least. That looks pretty square. The more square I can get it, the better. And I'm going to save that, and I'll just put it on the desktop. You can put it somewhere else if you want. And so this is going to be offset icon. And I'm only going to demonstrate with one of these right now. So I've done that, and I can even save this. I can do it however I want. I can put them all in there. But I've got my multi-game template open. And now I'm going to erase, delete, select delete, left click delete. I'm just going to get rid of these. And if you know Excel or Google Spreadsheets, you can do it even better. But right here, I'm going to go insert my image. Nope, sorry about that. I'm not going to, well, it's pretty square. Let's see how it looks. Insert image in the cell, and I'm going to upload it. So I'll just drag it over, put it in, and there it is. And it's a little bit light looking. So I might need to go back and make it a little bit heavier and a little bit darker. So let me take those and I'll look at the properties, and I'll just kick up those line weights. Maybe even a little more. There. See if that gets a little bit better for me in my snip. And here I got my darn little icon in the middle. If I shove this over to the right when I do my new, it tends to work a little bit better. And I want it to be pretty much square, a little bit of room around it. That looks pretty. That might come out better. File, save as, and I'm going to just give it the same name, and there we go. So let's see if I do better now. Insert image in cell. Let's get this one over that looks a little bit darker and see if that shows. Oh, that looks much better. And then I can type in here with my caps lock on, probably offset. Cool. And that's how you do it. You put an image in and you type the word. So when we come back over here, see it shows up in a random order in there, and that looks pretty good. And that's why we want the image to be square. It'll fit it in there and do a pretty nice job. And the other reason that we're doing this as drawing it is this icon, that image, belongs to AutoCAD. You are allowed to make your own representation of their image so long as you draw it. Okay. So that's why we're doing a tracing. This image, this button, it copyright, its intellectual property belongs to somebody else. We don't have the license to use it in this game, but we do have the ability, it is within all of the allowable parameters, to take that and redraw our own representation of it. Okay, so there we go. That's how you do the game. And when I say test your work and then submit it, what I'm talking about is coming over here. Let's see if it works out right. Oh, that didn't work out right because I didn't do the right copy and paste. Copy, paste. Yep, it turned green. So that's what you want to do. Now to submit, what you're going to do is you're going to post this, share, change the restriction to anyone with the link and view, and you're going to copy the link. And that is what will go into the assignment so that I can get it. Okay, that's it. Good luck. Have some fun. I can't wait to play some games.